everybody, it's Milsey back again. I'm back with a brand new retail basketball product. Just saw this at Walmart. It's a championship collection. Looks kind of different. Looks like we have 3 fat packs, 4 other packs, 1 autographed relic card, and 1 bonus item. Then also it has these dual promo cards. And this time it says it's seated in 1 and 4 boxes. As you can see, there's a nice Jordan. And on this side, there's what I want to get is LeBron. So here's some of the packs. I'll probably be several 16, 17 packs, my guess. Mostly all retail. I didn't say anything about Hobby Box, but picked this up at Walmart for $19.98. So pretty reasonable, just like a blaster. But 7 packs, 1 hit, and I don't know what the bonus item is. First time I'm seeing this open, so let's check it out. I just hope the hit is top loaded. It's my big complaint about a lot of these. They do not. Alright, let's see the bonus item right off the bat here. Ooh, pretty cool one. I actually got a Laker one of these too. It's a travel tag, the Bulls. That's pretty sweet. I don't know, I might have to use this one too. I got my Laker one on one of my backpacks. Very cool. Hey, I like that bonus item. It's kind of different again. Alright, let's go to all these packs. Oh, looks like I might have. Maybe there is 1 per. I might have lucked out with the promo item. Let's check out these packs real quick. Alright, we got 3. I don't like that. 14, 15 hoops. I'm looking for a little more variety. I do like that it's older stuff. Kind of cool. Another hoops. 11, 12. Or 12, 13. 12, 13. Yeah, 12, 13 hoops. The hit, we'll save that for last. We got 16, 17 Donruss. 16, 17 Freds. These are the fat packs, more complete. Again, that's 16, 17, I believe. And the other bonus item. Alright, so let's do the 16, 17 stuff first. Let's go ahead and check out the complete. Again, remember, this is only $19.98, so I think there might be decent value in these. Let's check out the packs here. Wish there were a little bit better packs, but for 20 bucks, can't complain. Alright, let's get the base here. Calm. Muhammad. Paul Pierce on the Clippers. Cody Zeller. Iguodala, Clarkson. These are so thin cards. Tim Hardaway Jr. Dang. Klay Thompson. Had a pretty good night. Jared Jack. Eric Bledsoe. Randall. Lopez. Williams. PJ Tucker. D'Angelo Russell rookie card. Powell rookie. Titus Jones rookie. Ooh, there we go. Anthony Towns rookie. And Booker, back to back. Nice. They're not worth much, but it's always cool to get the rookie cards. Mudiay, Fedway, Peterson, and a gold Vonleh. I think they're pretty hard to hit. I don't think I hit these. Maybe 1 per pack there. Sullinger, Gray, Mo Williams, Aldridge Gray, Plumlee Gray, Steven Adams, Larry Nance Jr. rookie Gray, and Dante Cunningham. Alright, not bad considering. A couple nice rookies in that pack. Alright, 16, 17. Let's see if we can get a Simmons out of here. Corey Joseph. We got Baldwin Baldwin rookie. Chris Dunn rookie. Rookie card. Lou Williams. Ooh, Lua Ding. Sparkle. Hardwood Wood Heroes. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. We got Wiggins. Parker. Lopez. Bradley. Carlson. Norwich. Alright. Let's go ahead and move to 16-17 Donruss. fat pack. We got Walker, Okafor, Porzingis, Golf, Dragic, Evans, Stein, Monte Ellis, Hayward, JJ Barrera, Randolph, Harrison, Jabari Parker, and Gortat, Kevin Durant, Karl Anthony Towns, Alex Lynn, Sam Decker, and Ben McLemore. Starburst. Cool looking parallel. The Elite Series, Derrick Rose. And the rookies. Hammonds, Diamond Stone, Diablo, Chris Levert, Prince, and Murray. Alright, let's move to the hoop packs. We got 3 of these 14-15 hoops. It's been a while since I opened up this. Gordon, Robinson, Doug McBuckets, rookie card. High Honors, Tim Duncan. Decoy. Oh, nice Steph Curry. Morris, Olenek, Jennings, Redick, and Jeremy Lin on the Lakers. Alright, pack 2. Kevin Durant, Dial, Aaron Gordon, rookie, not bad. Dante Exum, Dreams, rookie. Paul Pierce, Evans, Carmelo Anthony, Mo Williams, Paul George, and Jody Meeks. Alright, last pack of 14-15. John Wall, Calderon, Thaddeus, his brother. Lights, Camera, Action, Joe Johnson. Insert. Derrick Rose, Henderson, Kevin Love, Stevenson, Anderson. Alright, last pack of the break. We got 12-13 hoops. Wesley Johnson, Sessions, second Duncan insert, board members. Not funny. Nate Robinson, John Wall. Alright, let me show you the hit. Pretty cool looking patch. Damon Jones autograph, rookie ticket from Contender Patches. Not much of an autograph there, but pretty neat. A nice little Nets patch there. And I did get him. It's saying that's 1 in 4 boxes, so guess I did get it. I did get a duel here. How about an Embiid, numbered 1 out of 2,000. And it's not in the top loader perfectly. How funny is that they put this card in a 1-touch, which is a nice bonus. Doesn't look damaged. I don't know what's going on with this 1-touch. It's funny, they put that in a 1-touch, but they don't put the hit in the 1-touch. Or in a top loader, so. Pretty fun break. You got the laundry tag, travel bag, luggage tag. Got the hit. I did end up with one of the Beckett cards. A bunch of rookies, just base rookies. Packs could be a little bit better, but 20 bucks again. Some inserts, a couple nice parallels, the Anthony, Dang, the Booker rookie cards. So pretty fun break. Let me know down below if you want me to try another one. I'm pretty interested in trying another one. Hopefully maybe get a little more variety of packs next time. That'd be cool if the packs are not exactly the same every time. But probably the fat packs are pretty close. They show a prestige here instead I get the complete, so probably the fat packs don't change, but these packs might change some. I'm kind of bummed I got 3 of the same hoops ones. I like a little bit more variety, but pretty fun break for 20 bucks. That's it for this championship collection Box basketball, guys. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.